All right, New Year's Day got me out here working. Well, really, he's gonna work, I'm gonna watch and point fingers. So this is super quick, easy. We got 2013 F-150 5-liter here. This is the same for like 2011 to like 2019 or something. Probably all of them, all the 5 liters. But so the issue was every time he would fill up his gas tank, it would stall out and long crank for a bit, and then finally fire back up and run normal. What we're going after is the EVAP Purge valve, which is super easy to get to. It's right here on top of the throttle body. So we're gonna do a quick little test real quick to see if it's functioning. But what's going on in theory is there's a valve in there that controls the vacuum on the engine to the tank. So that when your tank builds a bunch of pressure, it opens, right, sucks in your fuel vapors, burns them in the engine, closes. So if it breaks open, it's just pulling a vacuum on your tank at all times. So we're going to unplug it and see if it's just wide open whenever he starts it. So plug out. We got one of these goofy little connectors here. Gently. There you go. Now you should be able to get right to it. Yep. Squeeze and pull. That's the move.
There it goes.
Come on.
You gotta get it to pop up.
All right, put it back in. We need it in. All right, so if you can't get the tab squeezed, you can see we pulled this one off and lifted it up. It's 2 8mm bolts. That's all it takes. Just pop it off, then you can get access to the bottom to squeeze it and pop it off. But to test it, you need to bolt it up to the car and in position. So with the plug unplugged and the line to the tank unplugged, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start the car. He's gonna put his thumb over where the line goes. And basically what you're feeling for is if there's any suction on your thumb at all, that means that thing is pulling vacuum constantly.
Pulling a vacuum on you? Makes a little hickey on my thumb.
Well, there you go. So we know that's the problem. Then you can pull that. So yeah, to remove it, 8mm right there, wham bam, walk it out. So the part we're using is CP 758 from Standard. I'll put an Amazon link in the description, so if you're trying to order it, we get kickbacks from that, so that'd be super cool. Otherwise, you can also get it at any of your local parts stores. It's like $20. All right, so we got both 8mm out. You just wiggle her out of there, boom. So now we're gonna look at this one. It's gonna come with all kinds of doodadders and majaggers. So you need, I do believe, a seal that goes here, and the grommets. Is there an O-ring in there?
Yeah, it's at the bottom.
Nice.
1 grommet, 2 grommet. I think these are sleeves for the grommets.
Looks like it. Plop the grommet in, push the little sleeve in, wham bam dunsky. So you know, you kind of got to assemble your own part here. And now we got O-ring down on the wrong side because it's Dylan. All right.
Looks like she matches.
Just slap her back in. We'll torque it down to spec, which is a nice gentle up.
Voila.
And there you have it. Purge valve has been replaced. You don't have to take anything else off of the engine unless you have an engine cover that may be covering it, so you might just have to pop that off. We're not going to know. He just filled the tank up to show me what was wrong to get to the bottom of this, so we'll know if it solves that problem in the future, but I know it will. The one I'm curious about is also getting a code saying that the airflow on the throttle body is maxed out. So we're going to hook this back up. I'm gonna clear the codes and we're gonna go for a little drive, and we're gonna see if that clears that out as well, because I'm pretty sure it will. The code is P115E code. It's throttle actuator air trim at max limit, and I'm quite confident this is also causing that problem. And there you go, throttle body code is gone as well. Or if the video helped you, hit the like button below, subscribe if you want to see more. We can get Dylan out here and working on more stuff.